Are you looking to do business in automobile industry? First time in India, we are launching a new institute for vehicle. Topics of inspection of car, how to check car engine, suspension, clutch, gearbox, accident, KMTR tempering, water damage, wiring, document checking and documents verification. Insurance claims and insurance policy, about car sensor, how to scan from the scanner, and about fault codes. Documentation work for RTO about related forms. We also teach about how to calculate car market price to buy or sell. New car PDI and used car PDI. Pre-delivery inspection. How maintain car about feature and working procedure. How to gain millage problems cases for bad millage. How to communicate with the buyer or seller. Repairable cost of spare part and cost for negotiation. Procedure for healthy engine. About oil and additives. Driving tips for 3 different condition, advantages and non-advantages. About tires. Pina 2-stage Bangalore pin 560058. Phone number 8880339999.